Hello all, Luke here from Out and About Campers. Today we're going to take a closer look at our brand new Volkswagen Transporter T6.1. This is the 150 PS DSG model. Vehicle's brand new, conversion has just been put in by ourselves here at Out and About. So let's take a look around the van. First of all, you can see on the outside we've upgraded the alloys to 18-inch gloss black Team Dynamic racing wheels. We've got the custom Out and About decals down the side, which is a subtle touch. As we go inside the van, quite a statement conversion. We've gone for our contemporary tourer in this lovely forest green colour with the natural bamboo feature strip and bamboo worktop. As you can see, part of the contemporary tourer comes with these feature lights underneath the worktop and underneath the kitchen units, as well as all the spots and strips that you'd expect throughout the van. We've also gone for this really lovely light custom upholstery, both in the rib bed at the back and in the double swivelling MS Craft passenger seat. Up in the top we've got the Skyline pop top with the scenic canvas upgrade. And as you can see just down here, we've got the MV Aero night heater to keep you warm even in the winter nights. As mentioned earlier, the rear seat is a 112 centimetre rib bed system, so that lies fully flat laying on the back, which has got the built-in memory foam mattress in there. Internally we've got features like a pull-out wine rack, soft close drawers, you've got your 240 volt power, and then you've got your 12 volt battery. Inside you can see here we've got the 45 litre fridge with freezer box and all your cooking facilities up here on your gas hob, as well as your sink. I just mentioned power, so as I said, you've got 240 volt hookup on the outside, 12 volt power anywhere in the world. You've got USBs and 3-pin sockets. As you can see, the colour is absolutely stunning. We've gone for a Bentley colour. The colour is actually Bentley Verdant Green. As we go around the back, you can start to see some more of the features. So as standard, our contemporary tourer comes with an outdoor shower. Cold water is standard. However, if you did want to go fully off grid, you can upgrade this to a fully pressurized hot water system as well, which should give you around about a long weekend's worth of hot water. Plenty of storage in here, as well as all your top boxes along that. Gas locker is at the back, so you've got a fully secure gas locker and dropout vent. You've then got your inlets, so we've got the inlet for the water tank, which holds 30 litres, and we've also got the 240 volt. The vehicle, as I mentioned earlier, is brand new. It's done delivery mileage. So we're currently up to 30 miles on the clock at the minute. This vehicle has got the upgraded reversing camera system. So the vehicle features got the usual bits such as heated windscreen, front and back sensors, climate control, adaptive cruise, but also has the reversing camera, which is an optional extra. So for more details, please get in touch, and also we do have a few more stock vans on site which we'll be doing more videos of, so get in touch if this vehicle or any of our other vehicles are of interest. Thanks very much.